Hello friends, welcome to the new video. Now today's exciting project is going to be uh, combination of Arduino, new pixel LED and use of potentiometers. In today's project what we are going to do is we are going to control the colors in a new pixel LED using three potentiometers. Let us study the connections before starting with the project. So new pixel LED, it has power terminal which is connected to 5 volts, whereas ground is connected to ground on an Arduino. You can see these are 5 volts and ground which I have connected to this particular rail. So this entire becomes my ground, whereas this becomes my 5 volt. So NeoPixel LED, this end I have connected to 5 volts, whereas this end I have connected to ground. So I have provided power to our NeoPixel LED. Now let us connect our potentiometers. Now potentiometers have three terminals, as you can see it in the picture. It has three terminals, terminal 1, wiper and terminal 2. So we are going to connect the wipers to the digital pins, whereas the terminals to the ground and voltage source. So for first potentiometer, second potentiometer and third potentiometers, I have connected terminal 1 to 5 volts. Similarly for second one and so for third one, and terminal 2 to ground. So you can see terminal 1 is connected to 5 volts, whereas terminal 2 is connected to ground on the breadboard. Okay. Now the wiper pins. Now my first potentiometer, I've connected the wiper pin of first potentiometer to analog pin A2. You can see it from the circuit diagram. This is connected to A2. This is connected to A1 and this is connected to A0. So my three potentiometers are connected to A0, A1 and A2. Now let us see the working of this project, what happens when I start the simulation, then I'll explain you the code. Now when I start the simulation, you can see that this new pixel LED doesn't show any color. But if I try to rotate the potentiometers, that is change the potential, so you can see the color intensity changes. If I take it from 0 to maximum voltage, you can see I've got this particular color. Now similarly, let's make this potentiometer 0 and change the voltage of second potentiometer. So you can see I've connected three different potentiometers to three different analog pins, which is resulting into color change in my NeoPixel LED. Correct? If I take this again, okay, the third one. Okay, so in this way, I can use these potentiometers and create different colors of my choice. Let's say, see, combining two colors at once. Okay, so this is how I am going to control my new pixel LED using potentiometers, and I can play with its color combinations. Now let us see the code. You can see the code here on the screen. For your reference, I will provide the code and connections in the description, so you can also refer there. Now first thing, to run the NeoPixel LED, you require a library. So that is the library which is included. The name of the library is Adafruit NeoPixel.h. Now my pins. So define the pins. So the pin number 6 is NeoPixel. Number of NeoPixels are 16. Then red pot pin, green pot pin and blue pot pin. There are 3 pot pins on A0, 1 and 2. Okay, so that I have defined. Now Adafruit, I have created a variable named Adafruit pixel NeoPixel, whose value is going to be set inside the Adafruit NeoPixel variable. So in the program you can see that I am going to set the value in that particular Adafruit NeoPixel variable. Let me stop this animation. It is making the program run slow. Yeah. Now, in void setup, I'm going to launch the new pixel by using pixel begin, and then I'm going to declare the 3 pins, that is red pin, green pin and blue pin, as my input pins. That is the analog pins A0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1 and 2. Now in blue, I am going to analog read the red pot pin, which will be saved in this red value. Similarly for green and similarly for blue, I am going to store the values in red, green and blue variables, and then that is my color range. So so you can see it here from the screen that my red, green and blue variables are going to take the values which are present in the red value, green value and blue value analog read values, which has been taken from the pot pin. Okay, and those values are fed in different numbers. Okay, you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 in that way. Okay, so this is how the program works. For program, you can refer the description. I will be giving the program in the description also for your reference for program and connections. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.